Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're right on track. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we wanted to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.